Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuits by frying. Start by combining flour, leavening, salt, and cold fat, then cut until crumbly. Add just enough liquid to form a shaggy dough. Turn dough onto a floured surface, press gently into a circle, and cut rounds. Heat oil to medium. Fry each biscuit until golden both sides, drain briefly on paper towels, and serve warm for best texture and flavor. Gather flour, baking powder, salt, cold butter or shortening, and liquids such as milk or buttermilk for richer taste. Chill ingredients and tools if possible to maintain cold fat, which creates flaky layers. Combine dry ingredients, cut in fat until pea-sized bits appear, then gently add liquid until dough holds together. Rest briefly, shape without overworking, and prepare the frying pan while dough rests for even cooking. Heat a thin layer of neutral oil in a heavy skillet to medium so it shimmers but does not smoke. Test with a small dough scrap to ensure gentle bubbling. Gently place biscuit rounds into the oil, leaving space to expand, and fry until golden, then flip once to finish cooking. Drain on paper towels briefly to remove excess oil, and keep warm in a low oven until serving for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.